Today is all about evaporated milk. There are many different brands of evaporated milk, and for sure, each one will give you a different taste depending on which brand you use. But today, our taste test will be focusing on two types of evaporated milk. We are going to use one brand, Carnation, and we are going to compare evaporated creamer versus evaporated milk. Evaporated creamer is cheaper than the evaporated milk. So let's find out which one should you use for your drinks and whether your customers can tell the difference. In Thailand, we have two types for the same brand, Carnation. We have the evaporated milk, which is made from cow's milk, and we have the evaporated creamer, which is made from vegetable oil. The purpose of this experiment is to determine whether there's a difference in taste. Here is Carnation evaporated milk from the Philippines. I also have different brands here. This is from the UK. It says evaporated milk, Carnation. We have here evaporated milk. This is sweet and silky. This is a Tesco brand. We also have F&N evaporated milk. This is from Malaysia. And then we have another Tesco light evaporated milk. This time I'm just going to compare two. Carnation. In Thailand they come in these sizes as well. This is 1 liter evaporated creamer and evaporated milk. I am going to make a drink to compare the taste. I'm going to make Thai milk tea. Now, Thai milk tea is usually prepared with condensed milk and evaporated milk. This time, I'm not going to put condensed milk because we are comparing only evaporated milk. I'm going to use a combination of sugar and the evaporated milk and find out whether there is any difference at all. First, I'm going to brew my tea and I'm going to use the espresso machine. I'll add sugar into each one of them. 1 tablespoon of sugar. I now have my brewed tea here with 1 tablespoon of sugar each. I'm going to use 45 milliliters of evaporated milk. This is evaporated milk. And I'm also going to use the same amount, 45 milliliters of evaporated creamer for my drink. Welcome, Christiana, for our taste test. Evaporated creamer versus evaporated milk. So we're using the same brand, Carnation here. This is evaporated creamer. This is evaporated milk. Can you tell us the difference visually first?
Wait, no, this is creamer. Which is creamer?
This is creamer.
Is it?
Yep, and this is milk.
Oh, okay. The milk is darker colored than the creamer. The creamer is lighter colored.
Right, okay. In terms of texture, what do you think?
It's pretty identical.
Yeah, very runny, right? Both of them are equally runny. And would you like to taste?
Yeah, sure, go on.
Okay.
This is what we're here for.
Right. Well, taste, again, is not exactly a pleasant experience, but...
sometimes it is, though.
Right, okay. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
We are going to do the taste test. Plain evaporated creamer and milk.
They taste the same, but this one's just a bit stronger.
Okay, the creamer.
The taste profile is exactly the same.
Whoa. Okay. Now,
the creamer tastes more delicious, though. So.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's put. I'm going to mix the milk with my tea, and please do the same for the other one.
I'm expecting the creamer to taste better.
Okay, we'll find out soon enough.
Just because of the taste profile being a bit more intense.
Okay.
Not creamy, the texture is exactly the same, but it's more extra. Is this Thai tea?
Yes, this is Thai tea.
Perfect.
Oh, I can see the difference already.
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the color. This is a darker color.
Darker color.
And actually in Thai tea, you want to see it darker.
Right. The darker, the more appealing it is. Well, I suppose even in coffee, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
You'd really like to see the color of that coffee. You don't like it to be pale looking. Okay, so now we have 2 glasses full of ice here, and we are going to pour them at the same time.
Okay.
Wow, perfect.
Nice.
Okay, now let's not mix them together. Again, I would say using the milk seems to be more appetizing because of the color.
But they both look good, to be honest.
Both
I've seen
good,
really light Thai teas that I don't even want to I don't even want to try. But these, I would want to try both of them.
That's the reason, is because we use the espresso machine. Espresso machine gives you a stronger brew of Thai tea. Okay, now, well, I suppose it's time to give it a try. I will let Christiana try first, and then I will try later.
Nice. Interesting.
Yeah, tell me.
I mean,
let me try this.
I actually prefer the taste of this one. I think it might be though, because the tea is this tea shines brighter in the less intense milk, whereas this one, it does taste milky on the borderline of being watery. Right? But it still tastes very nice. It's just that this one is sweeter. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
this one's more true to the tea taste.
Right. Well, to be honest, manufacturers say that the creamer is sweeter than the evaporated milk. That means they must add some sweetener in there. But this is really where it matters, I would say.
What?
You know, these days, the stronger the color of your Thai tea, the better it is, right?
It does taste better as well.
Yeah, right.
Not just visually.
Right. So I think that
if you have a good quality tea, like you're using my mom's tea mix, right?
Right.
You sell the tea mix. So don't waste it on, what is this?
Cheaper
is this cheaper?
Yes, evaporated
okay, yeah, definitely don't do that. Because this one tastes more expensive for sure.
And it also looks more premium.
I think it would come out more if it's a hot drink, but I mean, I think you would maybe you would be able to tell the most difference when you first get it served to you, but then as the ice melts and everything, it just becomes watery. So I would say go for the darker and more flavorful version of this drink.
The verdict is that if you are selecting which evaporated milk or creamer to use, then go for milk, even though it is more expensive, but it definitely tastes better. Now, this is just one brand comparing evaporated milk versus evaporated creamer. Now, if you use different brands, there is also a difference in taste. So really, before you start your milk tea or coffee business, make sure that you try different brands and decide for yourself which one tastes better. Also get the opinion of other people, just like I always do. I ask Christiana to help me do the taste test so that you get the most premium and the better looking and better tasting drinks that you can offer in the market. It would already give you a competitive edge. The same recipe, different milk, the taste is completely different.
What's the price difference?
In Thailand, it is just 2 baht difference.
And how many can you make with this? It's so worth spending that extra 2 baht.
It is actually, yeah. You can make, because this is about 300, so you can make about 5 milk tea, Thai milk tea in this size. So yes, the price difference is not a lot, but the taste difference really matters.
Yeah, makes a huge difference.
Okay, well, thank you for sharing with us your opinion and your taste testing expertise. We'll see you again for more of these, okay? In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.